In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Scrum board in Jira. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your project management processes, having a well-organized Scrum board can be a game changer for your team. It makes tracking progress and collaborating on tasks far more intuitive. To begin, go ahead and open Jira on your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll find an option labeled Space on your Jira dashboard. Click on it, which will serve as our gateway to project management. Seeing the plus sign next to it, that's your next stop. Click on it and it will present several options for you to choose from. As we're focusing on software development, you'll want to select software development from the list. This will tailor your project setup process to meet software development needs more precisely. Following that, you'll need to click on Scrum. This option paves the way for more adaptable project management by adhering to the principles and practices of Scrum methodology. You should see an option to use template. Click on that and it will guide you through creating your board more efficiently. Next, you'll be prompted to choose between a team-managed or company-managed option. This selection depends on how your organization structures its management and collaboration. For simplicity, we'll proceed by selecting team-managed, as it's perfect for smaller teams that rely on autonomy and fast decision-making. Once you select the team-managed space, it's time to give your project a name. This will serve as the title that represents your team's objectives and what they're working on. Ensure the name is specific and reflective of the team's purpose. Now, you need to choose how your space is managed. This controls who can edit and manage tasks within your project. Think about the level of control you prefer before deciding. Next, you'll set up the access parameters. This ensures only authorized team members have access to this project, maintaining both productivity and confidentiality. With those foundational elements in place, it's time to click on Next. This propels you to the final stages of setting up where you can officially bring your team along. Here's a reminder that you can always make adjustments and fine-tune settings later. While it might be tempting to start inviting team members at this stage, we recommend clicking Skip for now on the final prompt. This offers you a moment to double-check everything is set up properly. Once you're satisfied, you can then bring your team on board to witness the new Scrum board you have set up in all its glory. By following these steps, you've effectively set up a Scrum board in Jira, equipping your team with a powerful tool to manage projects and enhance productivity. Happy managing and good luck with your projects.